Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Wahl Clipper Groomsman trimmer for men for beard, mustache, stubble, battery operated, batteries included in kit, great holiday gift for men for travel, by the brand used by professionals 9906 to 717. Although both are all plastic except to the cutting heads, and the plated they interact with, the battery life is sufficient for multiple trimming sessions, so you don't have to have it plugged in and charging all the time. Beard and stash different lengths not a problem. Snap on a new guide, get after it. However, the most important aspect is that this allows you to install your own batteries. Great quality, works very well, lots of options for attachments included. The stand is the best option. The good trimmer is well priced, and comes with a lot of flipper add-on for a variety of hair lengths. Bought this in July 2015, now February 2016, it's had a workout, and runs well. This little guy zips them off, and make it much easier to do a regular shave. Definitely a great price. This was the same cost as a cheap one at the local department stores. What has changed since then, is that the units are made as cheaply as possible. Great, works like a charm, very smooth, doesn't pull the hair clean cut, and has lots of power. Almost sad that you'd pay so little for something that works as well as this little gadget, and then go pay $20 at some farm-totable restaurant for a plate of fried chicken and collards. Love this trimmer. It lasts a very long time, and is AA battery operated, better than rechargeable ones that cost much more. Won't hold a charge, worked great until the battery died, and the charger doesn't do a thing. Much better than Conner, whose rechargeable batteries lose their punch, and can't be replaced like the 2AA in this one. That said, not sure why you would buy a battery-powered trimmer when you can get the rechargeable version by the same company. It does a nice job, but the battery compartment is slightly small for the AA batteries. Very good price for a battery-operated trimmer, and it does have a lot of accessories that come with it. It has a very strong motor, and does a great job of getting the job done. It takes a bit of time to charge, and then you are off to trimming nirvana. Not a rechargeable, which means you won't have to buy a new one when the lithium battery dies, which seems to happen far more quickly than most rechargeable products wear out. It is easy to cut precisely, and unless the batteries are about to die, it always cuts quickly and easily. The second one was somewhat shoddy, misaligned blades that dulled quickly, and a battery that didn't last. All in all, he speaks very highly of the trimmer, and you can't beat the price. Seems to run at higher RPM than good trimmers, and therefore is loud, and throws clippings much farther than good trimmers. The batteries last quite a while, and when depleted are easy to install new ones. While trimmers are always the best around, get it with the Micro Groomsman personal trimmer, and you'll have everything you need to keep yourself neat and clean. Esta máquina no sirve no la compras dinero tirado a la basura no corta bien. They are inexpensive, last a long time on a set of AA batteries, and do a good job. There is no way to detect the battery level remaining, and whether the trimmer battery has a full charge. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.